Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Peyronie's disease. Erectile dysfunction is a condition in which a person with a penis has difficulty getting or maintaining an erection. One rare form of erectile dysfunction called Peyronie's disease results in a bend in the penis that can make an erection painful. While a curved erection does not always indicate a problem, people who have Peyronie's disease may have trouble having sex. This often causes anxiety and discomfort. Causes of Peyronie's disease. It is unknown. Trauma to the penis such as bending or hitting. Risk factors for Peyronie's disease. Genetics and age appear to play a role in Peyronie's disease. Tissue changes that leads to easier injury and slower healing as people get older. This puts them at greater risk for developing this condition. Those with a connective tissue disorder called Dupuytren's contracture have a higher chance for developing Peyronie's disease. Symptoms of Peyronie's disease. The main symptom of Peyronie's disease is the formation of a flat scar tissue called plaque. This scar tissue can generally be felt through the skin. Scar tissue might cause painful erections, soft erections, or severe curvature. Scar tissue on a certain part of the penis reduces elasticity in that area. Plaque on the top of the penis may cause it to bend upward during an erection. Plaque on the side may cause curvature towards that side. More than one plaque can cause complex curvatures. Test and diagnosis. A physical exam helps your doctor determine whether you have this condition. Your doctor may also suggest an ultrasound to reveal the presence of scar tissue and they may refer you to a urologist. Treatment for Peyronie's disease. Medication. Your doctor may recommend medications, often drug injected into the penis, or even surgery if you are experiencing more pain or penis curvature over time. Only one medication, Clostridium histolyticum or Xiaflex, is approved by the Food and Drug Administration to treat this condition. It is approved for use in people whose penis curves more than 30 degrees during erection. The treatment involves a series of penile injections that break down the buildup of collagen. Two other types of medicines that may be prescribed are injectable verapamil, which is usually used to treat high blood pressure, and interferon injections, which helps break down fibrous tissue. Non-surgical options. Non-drug treatments are being investigated such as shock wave therapy to break up scar tissue, penile traction therapy to stretch the penis, vacuum devices. People being treated with Xiaflex may benefit from the gentle penile exercises. Surgery. Surgery is the last course of action in case of severe penis deformity. You should wait at least 1 year before turning to surgery for Peyronie's disease. Surgical solutions include shortening the unaffected side, lengthening the scar tissue side, penile implants. Lengthening runs a greater risk of erectile dysfunction. Shortening the unaffected side is used when curvature is less severe. One type of shortening is a procedure called the Nesbitt plication. In this procedure, doctors remove or kinch excess tissue on the longer side. This creates a straighter, shorter penis. Lifestyle changes. Lifestyle changes may reduce the risk of erectile dysfunction related to Peyronie's disease. These include quitting smoking, reducing alcohol consumption, stopping drug misuse, exercising regularly. Self-management. For 6 weeks after treatment, you should do 2 activities. Stretch the penis when not erect, 3 times daily for 30 seconds per stretch. Straightening the penis when experiencing a spontaneous erection unrelated to sexual activity for 30 seconds once daily. Thank you all. Have a nice day.